and bring along. But having said that, huge, gratitude and applause is going in for everybody. As Suarez kicks it on. Oh, that was almost in the top tier as Suarez's kick. That was strong enough to go out there and reach the top tier. And all the administrators now. Has Leo got the ball? Has the goat got his ball? Where is the left foot coming? The left foot goes almost outside the stadium, I should say, but that's even hit the top roof. Phenomenal. So much power there and so much love that's been shown in. Another kick. He's lining him up this side towards the stands. So yeah, all the administrators, all the stakeholders, everybody, thank you once again on behalf of all the football fans to bring the GOAT himself into the India Tour 2025.
We can see the fans enjoying the GOAT, the God of football. We can see the shots towards the gallery.
Yeah, the ball was lost. Ah, there it falls down. The ball was actually lost on the top of the roof.
The greatest to ever play the game, standing with his brother Sauraj and Deepal, surrounded by the love of Hyderabad. Tonight, the nursery of Indian football bloomed again. What a marvelous moment it was to all the fans over here in the stadiums. Even us in the commentary box, we are enjoying a lot to see the GOAT, the legend of football, the king of football. It's a fantastic moment to us also.
Totally. Suarez, of course, is his cousin. You know, that's so nice that he accompanies him every time, and he's also got his name etched in most of the national competitions that he's been a part of as Revanth Reddy. And of course, you know, huge support coming in from everybody to go out there and promote the game of football. And his tour doesn't, you know, just conclude here. It's just a beginning. He was there in Kolkata in the morning. Now today here is in Hyderabad. Tomorrow he's going out to Mumbai as well. You know, Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, is going to be there. And after that, of course, will be Delhi, as he'll probably meet the beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji as well. So yeah, it's all there for the plans. Now what we see is the shootout that's happening between Messi All-Stars and RR9. I'm sure RR9 had 4 goals. Revanth Reddy is scoring the 4th goal. But still, the rule says it will be decided via a penalty shootouts. So I think we will stick to the rules. We'll not go via the scoreboard. But for me, the red and white is the winner, Swarna. Yeah?
Yes, of course, it's a friendly match. Everyone are focusing now on Messi. Not the goal, not the score.
You've been saying friendly match, but for me, the sportsman inside me doesn't allow it. But yes, correct. You know, what you said is very right. Oh, there's a goal again. He went towards his right, but the goal was being scored straight on the goal post. So yes, there we go. It is 1 each now. Ah, right, RR9. And Messi All-Stars, 1 each.
We are all witnessing the penalty shootout. It's time for the teams. The game came to an end, Naveen.
I really want to have this competition. Revanth Reddy again going out there and taking a shot. And of course, Messi trying to save it. How that will be. Messi, I'm sure, has not done a lot of goalkeeping himself. That's a good save. That's nicely done. Fabulous. The RR9's goalkeeper, yeah, he saves one. That's really nicely done.
We can see the happy faces. Even Messi, the legends, are also enjoying here on this Indian pitch. The football fans, what a crazy fans.
See, that's what it is, no? See, we sportsmen, we enjoy sports, no matter what it is, who's playing whom, what is it. It's almost there. So yeah, he's just trying to stop this one. Oh, right, he does stop it. It was almost going towards the right of him, but then a nice dive towards his left. The goalkeeper does well. So yeah, see, that shows how much they are grounded, how much they are very, very attached to their roots, because they know that they have come in. And of course, even Revanth Reddy, I mean, I'm sure even he's come in with a lot of hardships in his life, right? His parents' support and everything, that also matters a lot. He spoke of GOAT as well, but then Revanth Reddy also comes in with that hardships in life.
We can see a girl shooting there. Given the opportunity, women also can do.
Obviously, no doubt, Swarna. Let me, you know, this is national television right here, DD Sports. I have been a big supporter of this. Without women, we men cannot even do anything in our life. Happy, this is what it is. Women are the directors of life. They are the creators of life. I mean, yeah, that's a nice goal towards the left post. Forget getting an opportunity, I'll tell you what. Opportunity is always there. I guess today, day and age of time, it is all changed. It is no difference between man or women today. Both are almost on the same lines today. Both can achieve. And having said that, see the achievements of the Women World Cup winners. See the achievement of the Blind Cricket World Cup winners. Whatever has happened.
Oh. Revant Reddy on the frame now. He's so happy to take that penalty shootout. Jersey number 9, the Chief Minister of Telangana State, Mr. Revant Reddy. All his hard work, all the days he had practiced. Yes! It's a goal! Finally, he's successful there.
Totally. And no goalkeeper could have stopped it. Now, because it was so cornerish off the goal, it was tough for the goalkeeper as well. Yeah. But yeah, having said that, cricket, of course, like we know, everybody knows that it breathes in our hearts. Yeah, that is so important. More important where Messi comes out here as Lionel Messi coming out here in the GOAT Tour 2025 to support the nice cause of promoting football in our country. That's so much needed now as he waves to this crazy crowd. Look at this. This is magnanimous. It is the RGI International Stadium right here in Uppal, Hyderabad. That's packed as Leo kind of takes a lot of shots. But yeah, we were mentioning about women achieving so much. Yes, the ICC Women's World Cup winners, the champions are there, and of course, don't forget, it's always, as the women blind World Cup winners are also been there as a small kid going out there and enjoying his time alongside with Messi wearing number 10 on the back as well. So yeah, first ever T20 World Cup victory by the blind women's team. Also, they went out there and met Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi ji, everybody. And of course, they also did go out there and meet power star Pawan Kalyan himself yesterday. So yeah, women actually lead, Swarna. There's no doubt about that.
Thank you for supporting, and especially coming back to the football. We have seen lots of development in the women football in India, and especially the girls coming from Northeast. And even in all the states, we have seen a lot of development, giving a lot of encouragement to the women footballers. And nowadays, AFF had taken broad steps to encourage for all the privileged kids to take up football and learn and come to play domestic matches, giving a lot of opportunities in different platforms. And we are now watching a junior, jersey number 10, junior little Messi there, exchanging the passes with the legends.
See, that is where I was trying to say. He's here to promote the next generation of the game, right? That's exactly what he's doing. That's symbolically what he's shown, that, it's going to be the next future of football as Revant Reddy. He is more than today a chief minister. He's like a fan there running with Lionel Messi. That's so nice. That is so nice to see. Like a fan, he goes out there, shares the ground with him, and look at this gratitude, look at this gesture from Revant Reddy as well. He's not donning the limelight. అంటే మేము తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే మీ సీఎం గారు మరి ఇక్కడ వచ్చి వాళ్ళు he's not greeting the crowd అన్నమాట కదా. He's asking Leo to go forward. That's so nice from Revant Reddy, the CM himself.
That is what he's so humble. Hyderabad, take a bow. You have hosted royalty tonight. Lionel Messi has conquered the Deccan. Wow. Once again.
Yeah, and look at the gratitude being exchanged by Messi. He says, Revant Reddy ji, you go kick and give it to the crowd. So that is what sport brings to us. See, Revant Reddy threw the ball to Leo. He said, you kick to the crowd. But then Leo said, no, it's okay. It's all fine. We're all friends here. As he gave the ball back to the CM and he kicked it. So that is where sport unites everybody. And that's why we always say, play some kind of sports. it teaches you a lot in life. It teaches you to be humble. It teaches you to be connected to people. It teaches you to be more warm, welcoming. It teaches you to stay grounded. And, of course, it teaches you to be psychologically fit in whatever you do in your life. As the GOAT Tour 2025 has begun really well on day one. After Hyderabad, of course, the GOAT would be traveling to Maharashtra, Mumbai as well tomorrow.
Yes, the schedule is hectic. As we all know, the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium in Uppal is transformed. We are watching live in Prasar Bharati DD Sports and Sony Live as well. Usually the home of sixes and wickets, we have seen the Uppal Stadium. But tonight, it became the temple of the beautiful game. The atmosphere is not just electric. It is volcanic. Wow, Hyderabad has turned up in thousands of thousands of people, thousands of crowd witnessing the GOAT, the legend, here in Uppal Stadium. The god of football is also enjoying the game here with the Indian fans.
And more importantly, you know, like I was mentioning, people need to actually take a big cue out of his personal life. You know, the reason why I keep mentioning that is because there is so much of hardships to everybody today. But physically being low, being weak, and making sure that you achieve so much in life is something is done day in and day out. It's a very rare phenomenon, and the rare phenomenon is done by the most rarest player, the most greatest of all time players. That's why he's called the GOAT as well, isn't it? So take that inspiration in life and try and say, okay, whatever happens to me, I will not be bogged down. I will go out there, support my family, be with my family. That's more important, because family comes first no matter what. And you know, even when they say, right, they say family and friends, right? You have your friends in the family, your friends are your family. Family comes first. Do everything that you want to. And now for Leo, the world is his family, isn't it? The football world is his family.
Of course, the man beside him, Rodrigo De Paul, we all say the little engine or Messi's bodyguard. So he assists Messi, and what a beautiful game. The combination we can see with these Argentinians, with Rodrigo De Paul as well. We can see Luis Suarez also.
Yeah, totally, no doubt. And his epic trademark, you know, the get-up that he comes out with. Generally, of course, in this part of our world, we call it the briefs, the inner vests that he comes out with always. So nice to see all his tattoos as well. That's another inspiration. See, I'm trying to say, when people see players, they look up to them as stars, right? They look up to them as role models, like idols, like how Messi had looked up to Ronaldo himself, right? You know, that's so nice to actually create that kind of an environment, that kind of a comfort zone where you look at someone else and then become what you want to become. As we also keep looking at a lot of sportsmen, a lot of players in different formats of the game, see them, take inspiration and grow. That's exactly what it is. And I guess football should grow in our country. You know, we need to get that Asian qualification very soon. The process is on. You know, of course, there's a lot of other you know, entities that should fall in place, but when that does happen, India will once again be a big force, even in the world of football. For me personally, Swarna, you know what, I'm a little disappointed. We've got so much youthful power in our country, but apart from football, we've dominated, we've achieved in every sport, may it be hockey, may it be kabaddi, everything is there. But for football, I think GOAT being here in the India tour is pumped up that aspirations, pumped up that dream to get the Asia Cup qualification first, and then of course slowly move into the FIFA qualification and also the Olympics.
Of course, I agree with you. It's a festival today for all the football fans here in India. Seeing Messi on the grounds of Kolkata, here in Hyderabad, and especially with that legend, we can see Rodrigo De Paul and Luis Suarez, the engine, the greatest strength with his stamina. Always supports to Messi, Rodrigo De Paul. He serves as a box-to-box midfielder who connects the defense to the attack. He does the dirty work of running and pressing so that creative players like Messi can rest in the between. And
yeah, totally. As this is what people have actually come here for. This is what they wanted to see. They wanted to soak in the GOAT being present right in front of our eyes, right here in the RGI Stadium in Uppal, Hyderabad. And of course,